how to connect Xbox Series S to monitor. So for the setup, you will need 4 items: your monitor, the Xbox Series S console, and those 2 wires, one HDMI and one plug wire. First of all, we're going to start off with the HDMI wire. What you're going to want to do with that is go ahead and plug that in to the port where it says HDMI above it. So on the back of your Xbox Series S console, go ahead and plug that in there. Once you've done that, what you'll want to do is get the HDMI cable itself and then put it into the back of the monitor. So what you're going to want to do for that is make sure that it's put in the correct way around. It might be a little bit difficult to shove in the gap, the port itself, but make sure you do that and make sure it's plugged in correctly. Once you have put the HDMI port in, them two will be connected. Now onto the second wire. What you want to do with that is plug it in to the side port here. It's pretty obvious, this one. It's got the 2 little metal pieces. You want to go ahead and put that into there. Then with a plug, what you want to do is just go ahead and put that into your plug socket like so, and make sure the plug is turned on. Once you've done that, all you're going to need to do is go ahead and press the on button on your Xbox Series S console itself, and it should go ahead and turn on after a few seconds once you press and hold it in like so. Then you can also put your Xbox Series S controller on as well by pressing and hold it if you have batteries on. If not, you might need to go ahead and plug it in using a wire as well. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.